Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Adam at All Things Bonsai. Just wanted to show you one of these azaleas that we've got here, and I noticed there was something which I believe is a Sawfly just on here. So let me show you what we're looking at, because you might find them too on yours. So we've got fairly normal growth here, but you see this? Let me just see if I can get in really close. There we go. You see this here? Look, little bit of a folded over thing going on here. Inside there's something which is similar to a little caterpillar, but it's not actually a caterpillar. It's a larvae of a sawfly, which I believe is a member of the wasp family. Either way, what it does is it nibbles on the edges of the foliage just in there. So you're going to find a little critter inside there, which we are going to need to get rid of. You see the little git? He's just there. Look, you see him? And there we go. There he is, little sausage there. It's bad news for this little chap, I'm afraid, but he's going to carry on munching the shoots on the tips of my azalea that I've got here. So I'm sorry, buddy. It's bad times for you, but yeah, there we go. Fact of life, I'm afraid. In order to treat the sawflies on this tree, in order to get rid of them, I think I'm going to individually come through and just hand pick off each one by one. I could use an insecticide spray, a systemic insecticide spray, and that would get rid of them, but I'll tell you why I'm not going to do that. It's because the azaleas are just about to start flowering. It's going to be about another 3 weeks, maybe that sort of time frame, until we start getting nice big flowers all over these things. Now if I use a systemic insecticide at this time, then that's still going to be within the tree, and then when the big lovely flowers are out, bees are perfectly likely to come and land on those flowers and get damaged by the insecticide in there. So yeah, best not to spray insecticides when things are just about to flower, because all you're going to do is just nail bees, and it's a really bad thing. So individually go through and pick off each one on this occasion, and that should do fine. There are other non-chemical treatments out there. Neem oil, I've heard, is quite good for it, and there will be others, so do some research. It's a good thing to do, but I think in this case it's a hand-by-hand job. There's not too many, it's not the end of the world, to be honest. It's not too much to worry about. I'm not too bothered, but I just wanted to show you guys so you could see what it was, just in case you ever get them on your trees, and then you'll know A, not to panic, and B, what to do.